Next part of our review is talking about finding molar mass. So finding molar mass is a pretty simple process. All you got to do is go to our periodic table. So it says we have CaO, which is calcium oxide, and 1 calcium weighs precisely 40.078 grams per mole. And so what I would do is I would just create a list. So I have calcium equals 40.078. And then oxygen is 15.999. That's listed right there. Now, since there's just one of each of these, all I got to do is add those numbers up, which gives me a grand total of 56.077 grams per mole. Now, so this next one's going to be a little bit different because we do have multiples of one of the elements. So I'm going to start the same. I'm going to make a list of all of the elements that are in my compound, which is just MgNCl, magnesium and chlorine. So I go over here and I see that magnesium is 24.305. And chlorine is 35.453. Now there is 2 of them, so I'm just going to multiply that by 2. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to simply add those together, which gives me a total of 95.211 grams per mole. Now this one's going to be a little bit more tricky. There's multiple elements in here, more than 2. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to make a list. There are 3 nitrogens. So nitrogen according to our periodic table is 14.007. Hydrogen is 1.008, and then phosphorus is 30.0974. So I go through here and I see that, well, there are 3 nitrogens. I'm going to multiply that by 3. There are 12 hydrogens, and there's only 1 phosphorus. And again, I'm just going to simply add all those up for a total of 57. Oops, excuse me.